Holy shit. One down. Gorgeous. Say hi, Ash. What's up?
Hi Ash, what's up? Want to look back? Act like you like your life.
It is so gorgeous.
That's the highest.
That's 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, I think. Mine's not
Mine's 256.
Mine's not the fastest either. Apparently that matters.
Yeah.
I'm curious to see what ankle deep mud is like. Like in the Catskills, you can walk around it. I don't know about all that here. Already?
They're winter socks. That outer one I put on.
Yeah.
The wool is extremely thick.
Oh yeah. It's freaking gorgeous.
I enjoyed that short time I was with my ex. She's from the city and stuff.
Came from that, and that's what we got. Hell yeah. So yeah. Cool. It's getting a little muddy here. you. Oh yeah. Almost there. That's what I get for trying to film. Slipping and sliding. Oh yeah. Just recording without your knowledge. Alpine zone. Oh. Now we gotta go up. I'm gonna see how much of the rest of this I can video, since it's not that bad here. This is a quad workout if I ever felt one though. How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, living the dream. It's crazy. Wow. This is next level. No, they don't really have slides like this in the Catskills. Not this exposed. When you're at the top of the Catskills, you're normally still at tree line.
Everyone seems a damn genius lately. TikTok talking, late night TV is still so much I have you to know. Dressed up just to go downtown in some ego-filled late night crowd. Seems to be where I feel most alone.
Oof. That is the coolest rock cairn I've ever seen. That actually took like legit effort. It's not just like a couple minutes of stacking rocks. That is like a Jenga tower of rocks right there. Freaking Tetris level pro over here. Hell of a day for the first one. Algonquin. No idea. We are surrounded by high peaks.
Like to love my lady long and hard and lay down lines of layman guitar.
That one is right there. That's got to be Algonquin. That's over 5,000 right there. We're on like 4,400. Hey, squad, we did it. Feels amazing up here.
Heading to Paris on a late night flight. Find a bar and get in a fight. Write a few poems on a sunny balcony. I wanna be a child climbing trees somewhere, breathing in the fresh outside air. And before I knew this life was unkind, I want a well-trained dog on a couple of acres, a kind lady and a place to take her. A few good friends I can count on one of my hands. I know I'm bound to die one day, so when I reach those golden gates, I pray to say I did the best I can. Sit with my mother and the dearly departed, send a prayer down to the broken hearted, let them know it all turns out just fine. To know me is to love me, and to hate me is to wrong me. I prefer my not so lonely love blues guitar, muscle cars and gin. I'm a simple man, I don't need much, just my simple songs and some human touch. I'm tired now, so I'm bringing my ass home. So let me go down the line. Let me feel it all. Your pain in the sky. So let me go down the line. We all burn, burn, burn and die.
This is such an incredible view.
Let me go down the line. I wanna feel